Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy Filmora in a lifetime. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for that, we will be needing like just to choose the subscription that will give you Filmora for lifetime. So basically first open your web browser and basically either you are using Google Chrome or any other web browser, you will be needing like to go to the Filmora website. You can like just search for it, type Filmora, and basically you will need just to go to this website. So make sure it is filmora.wondershare.com and then it will take you to the website, and from here you will be able like to go to the pricing uh, page so you can find all the plans. And to do so, here you will find this pricing button, and you will need just to click on it. And as you can see, there are some kind of reductions, etc. So we need just to go to pricing, and from here you will find all these type of plans. There is the individuals plan and the team in the business plan and education plan. The one that we are interested in is the individuals plan. And basically, as you can see here, there is the basic, which will automatically renew and you can cancel it anytime. And there is the advanced and perpetual. And perpetual one is the one-time payments. That means one lifetime payment. So basically, you choose your operating system, either Windows or Mac, and then you click on Buy Now. And of course, you can buy with your PayPal. So you click on Buy Now, then it will take you to the checkout page. So here you just see the amount that you will pay. You add your email address so you can connect to your account, and then you will be able to log in or to continue to payments. And from here, you will need just to fill in the information, the payment information like your credit card number, etc. And then the purchase will be complete. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.